welcome back to the channel. On your screens we are looking at the stock price of Exela Technologies, and today the stock reached another 52-week low. Guys, today the stock dropped 5.23% and is now trading at 10 cents with just about an hour to the close of market. Now, as you guys might be aware, if you have a stock that trades below a certain threshold, I can't remember exactly how much. I think it was it $3 or $5 for so long, then it gets notified by the stock exchange, Nasdaq in this case, that it will be delisted. So let me see here real quick. So let's see here, Nasdaq. So if a company trades for 30 consecutive business days below the minimum $1 closing bid price requirement, Nasdaq will send a deficiency notice to the company advising that it has been afforded a compliance period of 180 calendar days to regain compliance with the applicable requirements. So it's just that if you drop below $1 for more than 30 consecutive business days, then you get notified, and after the notification you have 180 days to get back into compliance. And if you don't, then you get delisted from the Nasdaq and you go on to the pink sheets. Now the pink sheets, what does that mean? It means that you are trading basically over the counter, and that's like a discount. People call it almost like discounted stocks. They don't really have too much value, and what companies usually do is that they engineer some kind of split where they consolidate shares to make sure that their stock value for the price for each stock is above $1. And a while back Exela had mentioned something like that, the company's management, but since then we haven't had any clarity. I went on the company's website and I looked at their filings and I didn't see anything to that effect. Granted, I didn't go probing really deep, but I was just scratching on the surface and looking at recent press releases, and there was really nothing to that effect. So I believe the company and the management are actually working on a solution, but again, I am not privy to any of that information. So if I say anything here, it might just be opening up discussion to speculation, which I don't want to do. So bear that in mind as you look at Exela stock. Now the company, if you look over the past 5 days, just when we thought that it couldn't drop anymore, it just keeps dropping. And the way the price is so low right now, if it drops even 1 cent, that will represent 10% of the company, of the stock that you own. So it's a very, very touchy point in the company's life where we find ourselves today. On Friday the company closed at 10 cents. You can see high 10 cents, open today a bit lower. During today's trading, it went at as high, actually from the time it just opened, it just started going downward, so it didn't go much higher than what it did at the opening bell. But bear in mind that the 52-week range for Exela Technologies is from 10 cents, which it reached today, all the way up to $5.45. Volume today, as you guys must have noticed over the past couple of days, weeks, is quite high at 123 million shares compared to an average volume of just 67 million shares. The market capitalization for Exela Technologies now sits at $44 million, and that is what I had to share with you guys. You can see the 5-day graph and you can see the monthly, and there you have that spike around June 21st, 22nd, when the stock ran all the way up to 22 cents, and from there it has just been coming downward ever since. So that's what we had to discuss today about Exela Technologies. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye for now.